it's Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I have not forgotten about you guys for Target Tuesday. So I'm about to head into Target to share the deals with you guys. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and mention that my good friend here, Vicki Feller, she's actually from Kansas and she's going to be visiting Northern California pretty soon on a vacation. So she said she's going there for some wineries, but she also wants to know what are some things to do in Northern California. I'm in Southern California, so I don't really frequent to Northern California all that often. I mean, I know some great spots in the San Francisco area. My husband and I love to go to the Bay Area. It's one of our favorite places to go in California, actually. But if you guys are familiar with like wine country and Northern California, if you want to share in the comments below some must-do places maybe to see, to eat, some wineries, just go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And Vicki, if you're watching, check the comments below and hopefully you'll get some suggestions. I wish I could help you further, but I am not from Northern California, nor do I know very many areas by the wineries. So now let's go ahead and head into Target. And it looks like Target now is starting some drive-up pickup spots. So check your local Targets for these popping up. Okay, so I'm starting you guys off in the shoe department. So all the kids and toddler shoes, there's a cartwheel to take 25% off. No, this is just the sale price. There's no cartwheel. So all of the kids and toddler shoes are 25% off this week. So we have an excellent deal in the baby department. So when you spend $75 or more, this is going to be in diapers, wipes, training pants, formula, bottles, baby toiletries. You're going to get a free $15 Target gift card. You can do this in store. You can find the coupon inside your ad. You can text BABY to 827-438 to get it sent to your mobile device. You can find the coupon in Cartwheel, or you can do this online. You don't need to use a promo. It just automatically triggers when you get to $75 or more. So what you want to do is buy 3 of the Up and Up brand diapers. This is going to be an in-store and online deal. So buy 3 of the Up and Up brand diapers. They are $21.99 each. So buy 3 of them for $65.97, and then pick up 2 packages of the 216 count of baby wipes. So these are priced for $3.79 each. So your total is going to be $77.34. After your $15 Target gift card, it's going to drop down to $62.34. Now you're going to save an additional 5% if you use your Target Red Card. And if you are doing this deal online, you're going to get free shipping. When you use your red card or when you spend $35 or more, you'll get free shipping, and you can also take an additional 5% with your red card online. So really great deals on baby items here at Target. So this deal you can do in store or you can do online. Now I'm going to do another mix and match deal that's going to involve some manufacturer coupons and rebates, but this deal you can do 100% online if you would like to take advantage of this deal in store or online. Okay, you guys, so this next breakdown is a doozy, so make sure you're paying attention. So what I'm doing is I'm picking up 2 of the 33.2 ounce formulas. This is the Up and Up brand. This does the same exact thing as Similac and Enfamil, and it's the Gentle. So these guys are priced for $19.99 each, so I'm buying 2 of those. And then I'm picking up 3 of the Pampers wipes. These guys are priced for $1.99. This is the 72 count. And then I'm picking up 4 of the Huggies wipes. These are the 62 count, I think it is, 56 count. So I'm picking up 4 of these, and I'm picking up 1 box of the Easy Up training pants. So my total is going to be $76.11. So I'm using a 4-up-1 coupon from the P&G. There's also one you can send to Cartwheel for the Easy Ups. I'm using a $1-off-2 coupon for the Pampers. And then I'm doing a $1-off-3 coupon for the Huggies wipes. And then I'm sending a 50-cent off 1 Cartwheel coupon and a 50-cent off 1 Pampers coupons for the wipes. So the final cost is I'm paying $69.11 out of pocket, but then I'm earning a $15 Target gift card. So that makes it $54.11. And then I'm submitting $5 to Ibotta for the Easy Up. So everything's going to be $49.11 for everything that I mentioned, which is great. So if you guys are not signed up for Ibotta, there'll be a link below in the description box for you to go ahead and sign up. So this is a really great mix and match deal. So hopefully you were able to follow along. Okay, so I received a bunch of Huggies coupons to my P.O. box. So thank you so much, Deb from Wisconsin and Vicky Fellers. So I'm only using what I need, and I'm just going to be sprinkling them all along the diaper aisle. So you are helping so many families in need here in California who, you know, might need to save a few dollars on these diaper deals. So I'm spreading these around. So thank you guys for helping out sharing these coupons. Okay, so we have a nice little deal on the Nabisco Teddy Grams. So this is the snack pack. So this is the 8 fluid ounce. So these guys are priced for $2.09, and there is a 50% off Target cartwheel that you can add to your barcode, and you can do this 4 times, guys. But what you want to do is buy 3 of these guys, and it's going to come out to $6.27, and then you're going to deduct $3.13 with the cartwheel, and then you can submit $3 back on checkout 51. So final cost is $2.14 for 3 of them, or 71 cents each. Now it gets better if you have that 75% off 2 coupon from the 624 Smart Source. So if you have that coupon from the 624 Smart Source, it's going to be even lower. If you have that 75% off 2 coupon from the 624 Smart Source, all of them are going to be $1.39 for all 3 of them. So this is a really great deal on Nabisco snack sacks here at Target. So we also have 50% Target cartwheels for the Schweppes ginger ale. We also have one for the Mountain Dew Ice. So that's going to make these 2 liters just 84 cents. We also have a 50% off cartwheel for the 12-pack of crushed soda. So this will be $2.49. You can also do a 12-pack of the Schweppes ginger ale, and it comes out to $2.49. And then also the 12 packs of Mountain Dew Ice, these will be $2.49 as well with that 50% off Target cartwheel. So you can do the 12 packs or you can do the 2 liters, so 84 cents for the 2 liter or $2.49 for the 12 pack. So there is also a 25% off Target cartwheel for the Wheat Thins as well as the Triscuits. So you can go ahead and add the barcode to your Target cartwheel. And if you have that 75% off 2 coupon from the 624 Smart Source, you can pair it here. And then you can also buy 3 and then submit it for that checkout 51 rebate. It's $3 back on 3. And then the Annie's snacks, these guys are 2 for $5 again, or $2.50. Regular price is $3.19, so it's a nice little sale price for these. Okay, so the Kellogg's Nutri-Grain bars, these guys are priced 2 for $5 or $2.50 each, and there is a printable $1 off 2 coupon on coupons.com, so that drops these down to 2 for $4 or $2 each. So the K-Cup deal of the week is when you buy 2, you're going to save $4. So if you go with the Green Mountain coffee, you're going to get them for $7.99 each when you buy 2. You could also do the Starbucks coffee. I think it's the one with the protein in it. We have a printable coupon on coupons.com, but the price is higher and you have to buy 3 to get that $9.99 price, but you only have to buy 2 if you want to go for the Green Mountain coffee. So if you do K-Cups, then that's a nice little savings. And it looks like, this is cool, the Starbucks ones have hot chocolate pods too, so that's cool. I'm not a K-Cupper. Let me know if you guys prefer the brewed coffee over K-Cup coffee. I like brewed coffee any day over K-Cup coffee. I actually hate K-Cup coffee. Okay, this is cool. Check select McCafe bagged coffees, the ground coffees, because they have coupons for a free Egg McMuffin when you buy the package of coffee. So you buy the coffee and then you get a free Egg McMuffin. Yeah. So the Annie's mac and cheese, these guys are on sale 99 cents. Regular price is $1.79. Or you can check your stores for some clearance boxes. These are clearance for 68 cents. So if you want to go Market Pantry, 68 cents. If you want to go Annie's, go 99 cents. Okay, also check your stores for clearance Campbell soups, the character Campbell soups, as well as the condensed tomato soups. This is the big guy, so this is clearance for 90 cents, so it's pretty good. So just check your soup aisle for some clearance. Every week, guys, this Faya yogurt, until this Ibotta rebate expires, 44 cents. There is a 75-cent cash back on Ibotta. You can do 3 times. So my store has them priced for $1.19. That 75-cent cash back is going to get these down to 44 cents after cash back. So this is awesome. So we have a nice little deal in the household section. Well, this is a fantastic deal. So when you spend $50 or more, you're gonna get a $15 Target gift card. So how you're gonna get this gift card is you're gonna text CLEAN to 827438, or you can use the ad coupon, or you can use your Cartwheel coupon, or you can do this guy online. So this scenario I'm doing, you could do 100% online. So what you wanna do is buy 2 of the 36 rolls of toilet paper. These guys are priced for $13.39 each, and then you want to go ahead and buy 2 of the 12 packs of paper towels. These are both the Up and Up brand, so these guys are priced for $12.29. So buy 2 of those, so you're going to get to $51.36, and then you're going to deduct $2.56 with the 5% Target Cartwheel, so you'll pay $48.80, but then you're going to get back a $15 Target gift card, making everything $33.18. So you can do this in store or you can do it online. So I think this is great, especially here. I'm trying to set you guys up here. So, okay. So this is great that you can do this in store, but you can also do this online. So if you do it online, if you have a Target Red card, you'll save 5%. So you're getting that 5% that you would lose with the Cartwheel, if that makes sense. So this is great if you're like an office manager or you just don't like to get out and go shopping. Just order this stuff online and it's going to be shipped straight to your door. So this is an awesome promo running in the household aisle. I also did a video on Sunday and I made a blog post of all of my favorite natural cleaners, so I'll have that linked below if you guys want to check that out. What I would recommend you doing, because it's really hard to get deals on those, so when Target runs this spend 50 get 15, it's a great way to stock up on natural cleaners because we don't really get coupons for those. So I'll have that blog post and video linked below if you guys want to check it out, and you guys can shop my favorite cleaning products. Now you can do, this deal is endless, so you can use your manufacturer coupons, you can use additional Cartwheels, but I think that the Up and Up brand paper products is a great way to go, as well as the natural cleaners. So let me know in the comments below what you did in your scenario. We have a nice little deal on the hefty trash bag. This is the citrus twist variety, so you can do this in your scenario with the spend 50 get 15, but if you just needed to come here for trash bags, these are priced for $9.99, and we have a 30% off Target Cartwheel that you can go ahead and use, and we have $1 off 1 coupons from the 617 Red Plum. So when you combine the Cartwheel and that $1 off 1 coupon, you're going to get this guy for $6. So we started at $9.99, but combining the Cartwheel and coupon, you can get it for $6. So we have a fantastic deal on the CoverGirl, the clean classic color blushes. So these guys are priced for $5.29, and we have a 3 off 1 coupon. I'm not sure if it's still available to print, but I was able to print this on Sunday. Actually, yeah, they are still available to print because my limit had been reached. So what you want to do is use one of these 3 off 1 coupons. You would pay $2.29, but then you can submit $3 back to Ibotta, and you can do this up to 3 times. So it makes it a 71-cent moneymaker. So if you are not signed up for Ibotta, you need to sign up with the link below. You're going to get a free $10 with your first redemption. So definitely head to Target and get your moneymaker blush. This is awesome. I'm actually really excited because when I was in high school, I used to use the trio of blushes. It's what I used all the time. It was the peach blush, I think it was. So I'm going to try to remember what that blush looked like, and I'm going to try to get it because it was my all-time favorite blush in high school. So it was that trio pack. So let me know if you guys remember what I'm talking about. Okay guys, if you didn't know, Lipstick Appreciation Day was on Sunday, so I uploaded a video about my favorite drugstore lip products. So the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte lip color, this was included in it. So these guys are priced for $6.89. We have a 25% off Target Cartwheel that you can use, so that's going to deduct $1.72, and we have printable 2 off 1 coupons from coupons.com, and we also got some coupons in our Smart Source. So what you can do is use the Cartwheel and coupons. So you would pay $3.17. So you would pay $3.17 after the coupon and Cartwheel, but then you can submit $3 back to Ibotta, making this guy just 17 cents. So you could go for the $5.99 lipsticks and get it for a moneymaker or free. I don't know what the breakdown actually is, but check freestufffinder.com for the full breakdown. But I'm going to share with you guys my favorite CoverGirl lippy. So you can get this guy for 17 cents after Cartwheel, cashback, and coupon. So we have a nice deal on the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara. So these guys are priced for $6.19, and we have that printable 3 off 1 coupon. This one's not available, but the Lash Blast coupon is. So you would pay $3.19, and then you can submit $3 to Ibotta, so it makes this guy just 19 cents. So my last and final deal is going to be on the Suave Kids. This deal has been hot like every single week. So these guys are priced for $2.99 each. And when you buy 4 of them, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card, and we have a 10% Target cartwheel. So buy 4 of them for $11.96. You're going to deduct $1.20 with that 10% cartwheel. And then we got 2 off 2 coupons that came in our red plums. So go ahead and use 2 of the 2 off 2 coupons. So you'll pay $6.76, but then you get back a $5 Target gift card. So final cost is $1.76 or 44 cents each. This is awesome. And then we also have other Suave coupons, and you can do this deal with other Suave products. So all the tags that you see with Suave, like the hair care, just buy 4 and then use the coupons that came in the red plum. So you don't have to do these Suave Kids. You could do Suave Men's, you can do stylers, you can do shampoos, whatever you want to do. So these are all the deals that I have to share with you this week here at Target. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will have my regular Target Tuesday uploaded earlier in the day next week. I wasn't able to get it up earlier because my lovely in-laws, they are in the great state of Oregon. They are vacationing in Portland, so I needed to switch my filming schedule for the evening time. So next week we will go back to regular scheduled programming. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. I think I said that already. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.